How to access members only videos on YouTube. So if you head over to a YouTube channel and you see videos which are for members only, then I'm going to show you how to go in and view these on your YouTube account. So you can see right now that I'm on this channel, and if I click on members only, you can see all of these different member videos. Now, in order to go and view these videos, you first need to head over to the channel page like this, and you'll see a button here called join. So if you go and click on this, it will take you over to the subscription for this specific channel. So you'll see different subscription types, and if we scroll down, you could then press join membership. And you can essentially go through the steps to subscribe to this particular channel. Now, once you've subscribed to someone's membership plan on YouTube, if you head back over to their YouTube channel, in order to see the member videos, you can click on the video tab. You can then press members only, and you'll be able to see all of the member videos from here. Now, the second method to see member videos is you can scroll over on the right-hand side. You'll have the option for membership. Go and click on this. And this is basically the private membership section on YouTube. And as long as you're subscribed and you're a member of someone, you'll be able to see all of the member videos and also the community from here.